will guide you through the surprising original meaning behind the I in iPhone and how its meaning has evolved. If you've ever wondered about the name of your favorite device, or you're looking for a fascinating piece of tech trivia to share with friends, and you want to know what the I in iPhone stands for, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete history. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. The story of the I goes all the way back to 1998, when Steve Jobs first introduced the iMac. During his presentation, he explained that the I primarily stood for Internet, since connecting to the web was a major feature of the computer. But he also said that it represented 4 other important concepts: individual, instruct, inform, and inspire. This idea was to make technology personal, educational, and a source of inspiration for users. Over the years, the I prefix was added to many of Apple's most iconic products, including the iBook, iPod, and of course, the iPhone. While Internet was the original focus, the meaning of the I has become more fluid, representing a range of concepts depending on the device. For example, for the iPhone, it can mean Internet, but also individual or innovation. It's an interesting piece of tech history that many people are just discovering. Now that you've learned what the I in iPhone stands for, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more mobile phone video tutorials. Thanks for watching.